the mischievous parrot is at it again, teasing the cat with playful pecks and chatter. But this kitty isn't backing down. With swift paw swipes, the cat fights back, turning the moment into an intense but adorable duel. Beak versus paw. Who will win? Just when it seems like neither is giving up, the cat finally decides it's had enough. With one last swipe, it jumps down, officially retreating. But the parrot? Oh, this little troublemaker isn't done yet. While the cat lounges on the sofa, the parrot keeps taunting, determined to get a reaction. No more fights, just relaxation. The parrot may have won the battle, but did it really win the war?